Hello, welcome to Northeast Hearing Center. I'm Dr. Max Rubin, and today we're going to go over daily routines for cleaning. It's really important to keep the hearing aid clean because if there's a wax buildup or debris gets into the hearing aid microphones, you're not going to hear so well. So this is what you should do every day. When you take them out after a long day, just make sure that you wipe down the tip that goes into your ear canal. We call this the dome. If enough wax builds up in this area, then you might not hear so well. The sound will be attenuated by the wax, so just make sure you wipe it down with a dry cloth. After doing that, there are usually microphones on the back of your hearing aid. You want to make sure that you brush these microphones just like this, because if any debris gets into these microphones, the sound quality might sound distorted. And there's different kinds of brushes. So you just want to make sure you brush these areas just like this. You can even use a spare toothbrush, which we like to provide to our patients. And they're just showing you that there's microphones on different types of hearing aids. Even custom hearing aids have them. So you just want to make sure you brush them every night. I would say every day. And those are two simple ways of troubleshooting at home. So make sure you do that daily, and you shouldn't run into too many issues.